So I have all this pulp from a juice I just made. What in the world am I going to do with it? Then I have another smoothie I made yesterday. Took it with me. Did not drink it. It's separating. I am going to go ahead and make me a quick smoothie. I'm going to use dragon fruit, organic dragon fruit, and strawberries. Now, I don't really like strawberries, but the grocery store was out of frozen cherries, and I ate all the cherries that that I got that was in season. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in here. Dragon's fruit. I don't appreciate this not being in the little cubes. We have to end up paying more money. Good. You have to pay more money for it to be in these little packs. I hate these packs. I take full responsibility for how I feel at all times. I am aware of what I am eating, why I am eating, and when I am eating. I only eat my portion. I eat mindfully. Have a new relationship with food. I chew my food thoroughly, enjoying every bite. Squeeze that right on down in there. Two little bags. What size is this bag? 10-ounce bags. Two 10-ounce bags. Then I'm gonna pour this smoothie over in here. We're gonna blend this baby up. Blend her right on up. Yep, I said her. How do I know it's a girl? Because I'm making it. Alright. We'll put some water in here. Like halfway. And then, now for the pulp that was inside of this juice. So it was kale. It was kale, garlic, red onion, apple. I love eating healthy. I love sharing a healthy meal with those I love. I love herbs, vegetables, fruit, seeds. I love the ground that the food is planted in. I love movement. I love expressing myself. I love being creative, and I love finding other wonderful things to do outside of slurping food down my throat. It's really good. It is really good. I've never had peach juice or what is this? Or nectarine juice. And I don't believe in juicing fruits. I believe in eating them or blending them in a smoothie so you can keep all of the fiber. But I just want to see how it tastes. That was the peach. Now this is gonna be the nectarine. Well, let me see how face real quick.